Sandcastle Waterpark is located in Blackpool and is reopening on the 25th of July. In this video I'll be sharing the safety measures they are taking to keep you safe in the water park. There's not loads of information, but I'll share with you the information I have. So let's get straight into the video. Some of the key measures they're taking to keep you safe in the water park are providing hand sanitizers around the water park for guests and staff to use. Protective screens have been installed around the water park to keep staff and visitors safe. The changing rooms have been changed into one communal changing village, and they have added more changing cubicles for families. There will be regular cleaning on items that are regularly touched and in the changing village. Social distancing will be operational in the water park, and there'll be multiple sessions throughout your day. You can choose this on their website. Details of these measures can be found on their website using the links in the description. Looking on their website, food and drinks will be available inside the water park, and if you spend £5 per person at Water's Edge Kitchen, you'll receive 30 more minutes inside the water park. As I said before, social distancing, it will be operational inside the water park, so I'm very interested to see how this works. So obviously floor markings will be in the queues of slides, which is interesting because, you know, they'd have to use a very sticky adhesive because it'd come off with everyone stepping on them with wet feet and everything. Apart from that, there's not really much information about anything else. I don't think there'll be any temperature checks on the way into the water park or anything like that. I'll be visiting Sandcastle Waterpark in a couple of weeks' time. I'll be filming a review and an experience of how it all went, so make sure you stay tuned on the channel for that. So I hope this video really did help you, whether you're already booked and you're ready to go and you want to just reassure yourself that Sandcastle are implementing these measures, or whether you haven't booked, you're just interested to see how, you know, Sandcastle Waterpark are securing coronavirus. With all that said and done, if you go in Sandcastle Waterpark, I hope you really have a really good experience. Thanks for watching Theme Park Enthusiast, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.